For the men who aren't satisfied with regular, this is the ideal fragrance. The composition begins with a beautiful scent extruded from this native orchid found commonly in and around Singapore. With an amazingly complex scent with nuances of spice, cloves, lilac, and a lovely tinge of candy-like sweetness, it is an absolutely delightful addition both to the fragrance and our collection. There are many other orchid scents harmoniously blended in Oriental 6. To enhance the value of our fragrances, each of these orchids are infused to increase the therapeutic efficacy from our fragrances. Shall we take a look at the other benefits of these therapeutic orchids? Other than their soothing benefits, of course. Interestingly, this orchid has been researched and found to have useful chemical compounds. These compounds can facilitate memory consolidation and retrieval, while also having skin whitening effects by inhibiting tyrosinase production, the enzyme that catalyzes the formation of the skin pigment melanin. The next gorgeous orchid is used for expelling wind from the body, improving blood flow, stopping coughs, and strengthening the digestive system. A decoction of the plant is also used in treating rheumatism. Fragrances are what enhances an individual's personality and presence. The fragrance notes in each composition are the fundamentals in creating a unique personality. These individual components are amazing by themselves, but when combined, they form a harmonious, alluring fragrance that delights both your senses and the people around you. Strong, lingering scent of heavy leather takes the lead in this composition, creating the serious and intense fragrance that it is. The scent of leather is extremely familiar. It is evocative of cars, luxurious and refined leather goods, and biker jackets, which makes it interestingly ironic, symbolizing both an image of wealth and rebellion. Leather scent in the fragrance impressed a beautiful, exotic element and is intensely intoxicating, rich, and sensual. Lastly, a blend of alluring accords of spiced wood, earthy notes, and balsam are added, giving the fragrance an extra level of complexity. This daring fragrance is heavily dominated with a leathery aroma, evoking pure, seductive masculinity. An Oriental scent that is designed for men of confidence, men of action, and men who believe in turning impossibilities to possibilities.